Welcome to a new consumer goods review. Today we have Blue Nun Riesling wine made in 1857. That's really old one. Look, zoom in on this one. Est 1857, so this one is really old wine. Okay. So look at cork. Nice design. And the bottle also blue, so it's unique. Smell refreshing. By the way, I'm an artist, so I have the right to review this wine. Here we go. Let's see how the color will be like. Ooh, look, the bottle is blue, but the wine itself is slightly yellowish. So that's interesting detail right here. But how is the taste? Let's try it. But first, as always, we gotta take the smell. It smells like wine. That's good. Oh, look, the ducks are watching my review. That's how popular I am. So, thank you, my fans. Thank you. But anyway, now it's time to taste the wine. Let's see how it tastes like. Ooh, it's really fruity because you see, this one is Blue Nun. It's only 8% alcohol, so it's not like fully like 11% alcohol or something like that. It's 8%.
And 100% good times.
100% great times. And look what it all fits together with. So we have like fish, chicken, carrot and sushi.
No.
Full. Next, there's bottles over there. Look.
Yep. Anyway.
So anyway, we helped the homeless to get the bottles, and now it's time to take the second bite.
Let's make it cinematic.
Yeah,
Drink. No, yeah. Yeah.
I'm on the boat. So, cheers to Consumer Goods Review fans. This one is for you. This Blue Nun is really great wine. I highly recommend it because the bottle is blue, but the taste is also great. So, Consumer Goods Review gives this 10 out of 10. It's the perfect Riesling wine for the summer.
If you drink this
my
wine,
boat is coming. My boat is coming. Hello. They're not waving at me anymore. It's the wrong boat, man. Anyway, so this has been Consumer Goods Review. I'm gonna go back to my home now. So see you guys in the next review. And
see you later, man.
Yeah, stay safe and subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching.